All right, guys, we're going to talk about a new clutch kit we have available for the 20 and newer General XP1000. Before we get into that, like always these days on our videos, we want to remind you we make an outstanding belt, sell the teetotal crap out of it. Make sure you subscribe. There'll be a little deal here on the screen. Hit subscribe. Going to be a link to this kit in the description below, and so you can get it if you need it. What is the new kit? Well, here's some parts in a box for it. Okay, so what's new is the new General XP1000. It has created a problem in one area and then a couple other issues. Great machine, by the way. I think it's an outstanding machine. If you watch one of our previous videos on clutching it in the 20 model, there was some belt slap, very bad clutch calibration, fixed with a Dalton clutch kit. In 21, they made some changes. If it was built out for a certain time, change of weight, springs, and a little bit on the helix. Did it fix it? No. There's still some 21 models that are having belt slap problems. I've seen pictures and had people, so it's better not fixed. I think there's a recall or service bulletin or whatever that you can take your 20 model, get the 21 stuff, put in it. Once again, it ain't that great. Of course, it's free, you can try it. But then all else fails, even if it was right, there are still times you need a clutch kit, taller, heavier, bigger tires, elevation, sand, etc. The same reasons you always need a clutch kit. All right, now then, what's new today that we have for the General XP? All right, first of all, let's back up. We have a kit called I believe it's GX. That's for certain size tires. I believe it's stocked 32s, and then we have a GX-2. I believe that's what it's called. Either way, you can see it on the website. That's 32s, 34s. All right, now there's a third kit. It's a GX-3. This is for high elevation. What's different about this XP General than previous General models and maybe the Razor 1000 is that it comes with larger tires on it. Still got the same engine output that a regular General has and a gearing of a 1000, and then we put bigger tires on it. Okay, so it's not as strong as Razor 1000 is, but yet it has the tires and or bigger and the gearing, so forth. All right, so what we found out is at high elevations, the two kits we had was not really enough. The calibration really wasn't good enough to try to overcome those tires for normal, like we would normally in a clutch kit situation, and high elevation. So this kit is going to be stocked to 32-inch tires. We have to cap it off at 32 and high elevation. Why? Too much load. You can't have 33s and 34s at high elevation with stock gearing. It ain't gonna work. And also that's kind of how, let's back up pump. I believe it's, again, I apologize for not knowing the last two digits. So the kit, GX kit, I think, stocked 32. GX-2, 32 to 34. GX-3, 30 to 32, but high elevation only, okay? So just want to let you know that we now have 3 clutch kits out there, easily interchanged between the first two. It's just a spring change. It's harder to do. With the GX-3, there's more parts in it that are different than the other two kits. So hopefully that didn't confuse you. Just one more time: 0 to 32 GX kit, 3234-2 kit, and then 3032 and high elevation -3. If you got 33s and 34s high elevation or larger, gear reduction. Don't forget, 21 models still have square pucks in the secondary. They need to go, need all-around rollers to prevent wear in the secondary clutch. So don't forget that. We do have a outstanding XP General belt. It is the exact same one as our Razor XP 1000 belt. Same thing as Polaris belt that's in it. Same as a Polaris XP 1000. All right, guys. Appreciate you so much. Got any questions, shoot me an email, todd@hunterworks.com. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget about our outstanding belts. Thank you, guys.